Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can receive USDT on your Bybit account. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the Bybit application or website right here. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the Buy Crypto option, or if you're inside your mobile devices, you simply want to click on the deposit button. Now there's also the crypto deposit. So just click on the crypto deposit right here. But in our case, we then want to go ahead and navigate through the buy crypto. Now you have multiple options to go ahead and receive USDT. The first one is going to be the P2P trading right here, which is person to person. Basically, this is really trusted. For example, with this person right here, you will go ahead and receive, or the conversion is this specific price right here. The available limits is this specific numbers. For example, the lowest one is going to be, or the minimum is going to be 500 USDT in order for this guy to process your order, and the payments method will vary depending on the specific person. Now, if you don't want to go ahead and use the P2P method, you can just head over to the one-click buy option. From here, you then want to enter your currency, for example, US dollar. And let's go ahead and say that we want to buy around 500 USDT, and then we will receive this specific amount right here. Click on the deposit button, and from there, you will have to go ahead and use one of the payment methods like your bank card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more. Just click on deposits and you should be go. Now, the one-click buy is the easiest way to go ahead and receive USDT on your Bybit account. So I suggest using this if you don't know how to use P2P. But of course, you can find better deals if you're using P2P right here. Once again, you can just make sure to navigate through USDT. Go ahead and search for your payment method. And from there, you then want to find specific person that perfectly fits your trading style. For example, with this one, we have 5,000 local currency as the minimum deposit or minimum payment, and from there they accept Coins PH, GoTime Bank, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.